Welcome. In front of me is a Vivo Y97, and today I'll show you how we can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, hold your power button, and from the boot options you will want to select power off. And when the device turns off, hold your power button and volume up at the same time. Now, as you can see, this first boots us into fast boot mode, so using volume buttons we want to select the second option, so I'm going to press volume down once and then confirm that recovery mode option with the power button. Give it a moment. So selected. Let's just wait for the phone to actually react to this. Or yeah, I think it was just not confirmed for some reason. Anyway, now that it is, before when I tested it out, it automatically started the reboot and took me to the recovery mode, like it did right now. Now in here again, you will need to use volume buttons to navigate up or down, and power button once more will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now in here we have just couple options. We have things like a reboot system, which takes us back to Android, wipe data, which is just a factory reset. We can install updates, repair, enter repair mode, turn off the device, and go into advanced options, which has some more updating options, connecting with ADB and viewing logs, and that's about it. So anyway, I'm gonna stick with the first option. I'm gonna select reboot system, and like I mentioned, this will now boot back up into Android. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.